Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and welcome to the new tutorial. And today we're going to talk about the Grok Build as a new big giant is in the town, especially in the line of AI coding agents. So XAI launched the Grok Build command line coding agent, specially designed for their Grok models, as well as they are offering the Composer 2.5. And if you have a X premium subscription, then you are eligible to use that one. And yesterday I also received the email regarding the Grok Build, and if you open up the grok.com, you will also see the Grok Build. They are doing a massive marketing for their tool, and I think so they are very clever because they are sitting and watching, and when they think, okay, now this thing is in trending, so they build and launch and immediately do the large scale marketing and grab the audience, because they don't want to do the experiment. So firstly they wait and watch the market and then follow the trend. So guys, let's get started with that. You guys need to simply click on that, and later on into your terminal, I'm using the CMux, you need to paste that command and you guys are good to go. Already I have installed that, so just simply you need to type the Grok and you guys are good to go. It will open up the terminal window for the Grok, and if you see here, to open up, to close, you need to type the /quit and you guys are good to go, because it didn't have an option to Control-Z or Control-X for that. Okay, if I open up their options using the / from here, you can just simply click on a start a new session and it will start the new session here. Again, if you want to go back to the home, you are good to go. You can go back to the home. Next, if you are here to fork the branch, compact, copy your last response to the clipboard, export your current conversation to the file or a clipboard. Next, you have a context here, and by the way, they have provided a very beautifully demonstrating that how much context is left or things. So right now, if you see here, 7.2K out of 512K. Here is the complete details about your context. Next, if you want to select the model, so here by default Composer 2.5 is available, and I was curious to test this one, and by the way, I'm going to test this to build one sort of a plugin. Okay, next you can also choose the Grok Build, which is current, and by the way, I'm not too much happy with the Grok Build, but I saw the news about the Composer 2.5, so that's why I'm happy to test this model according to the benchmarks. Okay, so next, if you want to see here, you have a different options like hooks, plugins, marketplace, scales. By the way, it automatically loads the scales from the Claude directory, like if I say here, if I scroll down, press / and UI UX, so here you will see it's a UI UX plugin there. Okay, and here is the directory of Grok skills, and it's also loading the skills from the other folders. Okay, so now I'm going to explore another options. So it's enabled, ready to go. You have a skills, plugins, and all the options there. Next, you can load the sessions. Just click here, or you can rename the sessions. Like I'm going to rename the session building WordPress plugin. Okay, now we're good to go. And if you want to select the sessions, okay, here we have 3 sessions. If you want to switch between 1 and 2, you are good to go. So this is a good thing. Claude lacks on this, but Open Code also provide this option, and we're good to go with that, man. Okay, next, if we talk about, again, I'm going to continue with that session. Next, we have an option for the compact. If you want to compact your conversation history, you are good to go. Okay, rename sessions, plans, if you are in a plan mode, or later I will cover it up. Okay, if you want to use the plan mode, you are good to go. Right now I'm not in a plan mode, so we're good to go, man. Okay, you can also use the I think, sorry, it's not a command code, it's a shift tab, yes. So in which mode you are, so it will, you are good to go to change from here. Okay, build anything, plan, or if you want to change anything, you are good to go, man. Okay, next, where is the option? Here is the plan mode, view plan. If you want to see the plan, resume your working, MCPs, terminal loop, settings. If you want to do the model settings, like settings, from here you can see the compact mode is off, show timestamps, disable Vim input output, whatever you want to do, you are good to go, man. Next, we have the other options like privacy, rewind, login, logout. If you want to switch to different account, you can simply log out and then click on login, and you can log into another. Import from the cloud, this is a good option. That okay, from here I have an options, okay, allow bash Shopify, all the things are there, man. Good. It's importing all the things, we are good to go. Okay, if I press enter, and it will import all the things there. Next. Okay, next, if we talk about the usage, from here you can select the usage, and from here you have two options, show or manage. If I click on the show, it will share that credit use 0%, which will reset on June 30th. And next, if I show the usage, manage, and it will open up the billing within that terminal. This is a good thing. If you want to, if you are using the CMux, that you don't need to visit any browser. But right now I'm using the Firefox, so that's why it's no beneficial to us, because I didn't have active sessions there. Okay, so next, we have a different options like release notes, config agents if you want to configure, login, log out, rewind if you want to. Okay, so now I want to heading back to the home. Okay, and from here you can resume the sessions like Control S, Control Q for quit. Good. So we have option to quit, but going back. Good. I already thought maybe it have only option to use this one. Okay, so if I move to the sessions, and let's say I want to resume the session, I don't know where are my sessions. I think after exiting, it's not saving the sessions. Maybe I didn't perform anything, that's why it's not saving the sessions. Okay, so I will just give it a command. Okay, I want to develop a WordPress plugin named Clustova, LLMs.txt, and Markdown generator. So firstly, give me plan, and we need WordPress plugin directory ready plugin, as we want to host it. So make it professional and try and use the WordPress plugin development skill. Okay, now we're good to go, man, and see what it will do. Oh, yes, it have a skill and loading WordPress. Actually I have a skill here. WordPress related skill directories in a user home. Yes, always allow. You are good to go. Find whatever skill file. Yes, allow. And here's the shift tab modes. You can use that. Plan. We have three options: plan, always approve, and normal. And firstly, I use the plan mode, and you guys are good to go. From here you have a Control C option to cancel, Control Enter to interject, Control G. A lot of things are there. Okay, and excellent. Now I have the full WordPress plugin dev skill. So actually it figured it out. Yes, actually it's in open code, And now it's scaffolding the prepared for public directory, making it. We're good to go, man. Command D, I will execute, and let's see if it's actually right. Currently it's still in a planning mode, so we're good to go, man. Okay, quick check if Clustova is a known brand. Yes, allow. Always allow. Actually, it's trying to figure out my brand. It's not too much famous, but I thought maybe I need to try it. Might be Google will figure it out, the results. Okay. Okay, explore the plan session DRIS, allow Grok sessions. Yes, we are good to go. Okay, till that, sessions. Okay, now allow. Okay, allow sessions. Sorry guys, actually I just paused the video, and now when it prompts a new question, so I just started resuming the video. Okay, so what is the exact describe plugin name as it would appear in a WP admin? Okay, Clustova LLMs.txt Markdown / Clustova or which LLMs.txt generator. Okay, we will select. Okay, suggest us professional name, but make sure it will start with Clustova as it's our brand name. Okay, yes, use Clustova as a brand author, URI clustova.com. Yes, I will select the option. Yes, use the Clustova as a brand name, as well as I think first is a good to go. Yes. And for V1 scope, which features are most must have. Okay, LLMs.txt full virtual serving with caching, and sorry guys, I need to just change my camera place. Select serving outer region on publish.md endpoints example, admin preview, regenerate for LLMS files. Public.md endpoints example, my post.md servers a clean markdown. Okay, yes, go with both LLMs.txt as well as .md options, and there should be admin preview and regenerate for LLMS files. Actually, it gives us different choices but it should do all things in a one place. So that's why I need to type custom. And no external APIs or AI calls, pure WP data only recommended for easy approval. Yes. Okay, key focus professional, follow WP guidelines strictly for first submission success. For specific UI style. Okay, we are good to go with that one. Yes, sir. Recommend here correct base structure per scale. More flexible risk for missing standards. Actually, I want to build it with my standards. Actually, it's following the allow fetch GitHub wmin.txt.php is always allow this session. Okay, allow writes. Yes, allow all edits during this session. Okay, here's the plan: Clustova, LLMs.txt, and Markdown generator, professional WordPress plugin development plan. Here we are good to go with all the things like it's showing the goal: deliver complete submission ready WordPress plugin directory, key user decisions, brand prefix must start with the Clustova, professional name, Clustova, LLMs.txt, and Markdown generator. Perfect. Clustova slug. Okay, this is good. Author is that clustova.com, contributor readme, scope both LLMs.txt plus MD options, plugin URI, and there's feature scopes. I think Composer 2.5 is good to go, and here's a directory of all according to the plan that where should go all the things. So next I think I need to create another video where I will start development. I will show you guys, or what do you say? I need to continue, I think. Approve, yes, click on the approve, and we are good to go, man. We will build in that video. We will not wait. Okay, and from here always approve mode, yes, don't ask again, and approve mode. Now we are good to go, man. Okay, here you guys will see on the top, from you can see your context window. Right now it's it consumes 15.8%, I mean around 80k tokens. So now it's started development, and let's see what it will do. Welcome back, guys, and it took around 10 to 15 minutes to develop all the things there, and in the end it gives us the summary that the folder has been created with that Clustova LLMs.txt zip file name. Sorry guys. Next it's giving us some sort of a guideline that firstly test it on your local, and already it's an up. Next you can validate locally PHP CLI, or you have a common plugin check errors. By the way, we can command it to verify all the things there, but I have already installed it, and after submission you can include the screenshots and all the things there. So let's get started with testing. And by the way, if I visit the file explorer, here you guys will see it already zipped and generated the zip file there. Okay, so I need to visit the plugins, add a plugin, okay, and upload plugins, and I will just drag and drop, and we are good to go, man. Install Clustova LLMs.txt, and we are good to go with that one. Okay, so where is our plugin? Under the settings, yes, here we have the Clustova LLMs.txt there, and if I see its UI, okay, enable, yes, serve curated LLMs.txt at your site. Okay, good. Serve extended version with more content, post pages, maximum items per section, and site description for LLMs. It is a good option. Okay, next we have important notes if you want to put custom sections. Here we have a markdown endpoints, how we are able to get that. Okay, enable.md endpoint. Okay, it's done, and we are good to go. Mean if you are exploring your post, then okay, I will practically do all the things. Okay, so it generated the plugin successfully, and here we also have the export tools, and a lot of options are there. You guys are good to go, man. So if you want to test the plugin, so here we need to click on the tools and click on the plugin check, and next we need to select the Clustova LLMs.txt. Okay, click on the enable AI analysis, and we are good to go, man. It will take a few minutes or a few seconds depending upon your requirements. So before uploading the plugin to the WordPress live directory, you need to verify with the plugin check. Okay, here it mentioned the 2 errors, and by the way, it is a good results, because initially when we developed the plugins we found a lot of errors, and we need to fix that one. The one thing is that we build the skill for the WordPress plugin development in an open code using different AI models. I use the DeepSeek as well as the Claude to refine our plugin. But the good thing is that Grok took that skill and understand all the things and build accordingly. So now we have a very few errors there. Okay. So next, if you want to fix the things, you can simply click on the export Markdown, and you guys are good to go. And you will find that issues. Simply just copy these errors and you can just paste it there, and we are good to go. It will start fixing. Okay, the other thing is that now it's time to check our markdowns, how the things are working. Actually, we need to see that other plugins working properly or not. Okay, so if I visit that one, okay, and here's my blog, and I'm just adding .md there, and we are good to go, man. It's a perfect, awesome. And if I visit settings Clustova, it will guide you from where you can get the live preview. Simply you can type your site.com/LLMs.txt or click on that. So here is the issue, and I know this is the file permission issue, but still I can just ask to the Grok, okay, I have hosted the plugin locally for testing purpose, but when I try to fetch LLMs.txt by this URL, it's not working. Can you figure it out? What's the issue? Okay, so before executing this prompt, I need to check, okay, re-upload the new plugin. If you are in the middle of a submission, test it up. Now again it's generated. Okay, and okay, we will perform it again, and firstly I need to push that prompt and see what it will say. Okay, they have a toasted plugin. Yes, actually I already mentioned you there is a file permission issue, but still it will check what's the issue going on there. Yes, haven't been flushed, so that's why the issue is there. Includes class rewrite, includes plus plugin hooks. So if I visit that, and you guys will see recently it generated another zip file, and I think so after fixing that it would also generate another zip file. Yes. So it's done with implementation, and if I visit, yes, the time has been updated there, and we are good to go. Now it's time to upload the plugin again, and upload plugin, install it, and packing installation plugin. The one bad thing is that it's not changing the versions that I need to guide him. Just give me a second. Okay, whenever you perform the change in plugin, you need to update its version. Remember that point, and also save this point in the scale, and we're good to go, man. Okay, again we need to run the test. Firstly we will figure it out. WordPress index.php/LLMs.txt and see what. Yeah, actually there's a issue on the Mac because there's a filing issue, but on the live it will works perfectly. But now I am navigating back to the plugin check, and and select the plugin and check it. So it's updating the rules and all the things. Yes, now we are good to go. And frankly speaking, I am happy with the Composer performance as compared to the other open source AI models, and they build a great stuff. So now it's done, and if I click on the usage to see how much we have consumed, okay, only 7% we have consumed, and we are good to go, man, with that. So guys, I hope you love that. Actually, this is a testing purpose, and later on I will again test it on live server, this plugin, and hope so you guys will soon see this plugin in the official WordPress plugin directory. So guys, see you in another video tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.